Let's go! Let's go!
Who wants some free shirts? Throw your hands in the air, ladies and gentlemen. Throw your hands in the air. Alex Choi would like to participate. Whoa! All right, we have Alex Choi here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have special edition Alex Choi shirts right here. He will sign it for you. Whoa! 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 Watch your face. Watch your face. Fred, are you okay? Oh, Fred. Fred, are you okay?
Thank God I got abs now. Hold on, take back. Who wants to see me do that to Alex?
All right. Wait. Be careful. Be careful. Stomach. Oh! Fred with the misfire. I'm not sure if you guys saw, Fred just brought out his beautiful Ferrari F40. What an amazing car. Uh-oh, aiming at Alex Choi right now. Oh! Hey, how do those abs feel? That must have hurt a little bit, bro.
I got fat.
All right, get some free shirts here.